Struggling with those precise cuts in your DIY projects? Or are you tired of jigsaws that vibrate too much and leave rough edges? After testing dozens of models, we've selected the 5 jigsaws that truly excel in precision, comfort, and durability. From basic models perfect for home projects to professional-grade tools that can handle any material, each jigsaw you'll see has unique features that could be exactly what you need. So, I recommend watching the complete list. You'll find all the links with the best updated prices in the description. Let's begin. Let's check out the BLACK+DECKER 5-amp jig saw, a tool I've been testing for the past few weeks. If you're looking to make precise cuts or work on detailed projects, this one caught my attention for a few good reasons. The 5-amp motor really delivers. You get up to 3,000 strokes per minute, which I found works great on different materials. I tested it on both hardwood and some metal sheets, and it handled them pretty well. What really impressed me was the curve control technology. You get 4 different settings for curved cuts, and trust me, it makes a real difference when you're working on more intricate designs. One feature I particularly liked was the beveled cutting capability. You can adjust it up to 45 degrees, which comes in super handy for those angled cuts we all need sometimes. The adjustable shoe with the wire guard is also pretty solid. It keeps things stable and lets you see exactly where you're cutting. Now, I need to mention a couple of things that could be better. The dust collection port isn't quite what I'd hoped for. During my tests, I noticed it tends to blow dust forward instead of collecting it properly. Also, the lack of a trigger guard is something that made me a bit uneasy. It's a safety feature I really think should be there. That said, using this jigsaw is pretty straightforward. The grip feels comfortable even after longer sessions, and switching blades is quick and simple. No tools needed. I've seen beginners in my workshop pick it up and get comfortable with it pretty quickly. For what you're paying, this jigsaw delivers good value. It's not perfect, but it gets the job done reliably. I've linked the current price and more details below if you want to check it out. Let's dive into the WEN Orbital Jig Saw 6.6 amperes, a tool that has really impressed me after a few weeks of testing. If you've ever struggled with achieving those perfectly straight cuts, this jigsaw might just be your new best friend. It features a handy laser and light-emitting diode light combination that keeps you aligned with your cutting path, which I found incredibly beneficial, especially in my poorly lit garage. One standout feature of this jigsaw is its 4-position orbital control. This allows you to toggle between straightforward vertical cuts and a more vigorous orbital action, which proved invaluable when I was working with various materials. The variable speed motor can reach up to 3,300 strokes per minute, and I had no trouble using it on everything from thin plywood to some hefty hardwood pieces. However, there are a couple of things to note. The package only includes 2 blades, so it's a good idea to purchase additional ones right away. Additionally, the dust collection system isn't the best. I ended up connecting it to my shop vacuum, which significantly improved the situation. Just something to be aware of. What really took me by surprise was how sturdy this jig saw feels, especially considering its price. The rubberized grip is comfortable, even during extended projects. They've also included some useful extras, like the beveling footplate and parallel guide, which I found myself using more often than I anticipated. For the price, this jigsaw offers great value. While it's not without its flaws, it performs most cutting tasks admirably, and the build quality suggests it will last. If you're interested in checking out the current price and more details, I've included all the links in the description below. After spending a few weeks with the Hammerhead Jig Saw 4.8 ampere, I can confidently say it's a reliable tool for my woodworking endeavors. The 4.8 ampere motor is impressive, reaching speeds of up to 3,000 strokes per minute, which is essential when tackling various materials. What really stands out is its precision in cutting, which we'll delve into shortly. We've all been there, struggling with speed control and ending up with rough cuts. Thankfully, the variable speed control on this jigsaw is quite effective. I've tested it on both hardwood and softer materials, and the ability to adjust the speed is a game changer. Additionally, the 4-stage orbital function allows you to toggle between precise cuts for intricate work and more forceful cuts when you need to power through tougher materials. The bevel cutting feature is user-friendly, allowing you to tilt the base plate up to 45 degrees, which is perfect for those angled cuts. One feature I truly appreciate is the tool-free blade change system. When you're deep into a project, not having to search for tools just to change blades is a significant time saver. Let's be honest though, while this jigsaw is excellent for home projects and DIY tasks, it's not the best choice for heavy-duty professional use. The cord can be restrictive in larger workspaces, and I've noticed it tends to heat up during extended cutting sessions. However, for most home workshop tasks, these are minor inconveniences. The package comes with wood-cutting blades, a parallel guide, and a dust tube. Essentially everything you need to get started. Considering the price, you're getting good value. It's not the most sophisticated jigsaw on the market, but it performs reliably. In summary, if you're in the market for a dependable jigsaw for home projects without breaking the bank, the Hammerhead 4.8 ampere is worth a look. It has enough power and features to handle most die tasks, even if it's not quite up to contractor standards. You can find the current price and more details in the description below. Next up, let's explore the WORKPRO 6.5 AMP Electric Jig Saw. After spending some time with this tool, I must say, it offers a lot for its price. If you're in the market for a jigsaw that can effortlessly tackle a variety of materials, this one should be on your radar. The 6.5 AMP motor is a powerhouse, delivering up to 3,000 strokes per minute. I found this more than sufficient for most tasks. I've tested it on hardwood, metal, and plastic, and it performed admirably across the board. A feature I particularly appreciate is the adjustable speed control, which allows you to tailor the speed to the material you're working with. This flexibility is a game changer when switching between different types of cuts. Another handy feature is the adjustable base plate, which can tilt up to 45 degrees for bevel cuts. Once set, it remains stable, ensuring precision. The 4 orbital settings aren't just for show, they genuinely enhance the cutting experience, whether you're aiming for a smooth finish or need to cut through material quickly. The tool-less blade change system is a real time saver, operating smoothly and efficiently. Plus, the inclusion of 7 T-shank blades is a generous bonus. The light-emitting diode light and dust blower are thoughtful additions that have helped me maintain accuracy on my cutting line more times than I can count. However, it's worth noting that this isn't the lightest jigsaw available. After prolonged use, you might feel the weight in your arms. Additionally, if you're new to using jigsaws, you might want to seek out some instructional videos, as the manual isn't the clearest. Overall, the WORKPRO offers excellent value for its price. It's robust enough for do-it-yourself projects and even some professional tasks. For more details on pricing and specifications, check out the links in the description below. Today, we're diving into the BLACK+DECKER Jig Saw, a tool I've been putting through its paces for some time now. If you're into DIY projects, this jigsaw offers some noteworthy features. The 4.5 AMP motor provides decent cutting power, and I've tested it on both wood and metal with satisfactory results for most routine tasks. A standout feature is the variable speed control, which allows you to adjust up to 3,000 strokes per minute. This is particularly beneficial when transitioning between different materials, especially when working with more delicate pieces where precision is key. One aspect I really appreciate about this model is its lightweight design, tipping the scales at just 2 pounds. This makes a significant difference during extended projects. The wire guard and dust blower are also thoughtful additions, helping to keep your cutting line clear, which results in fewer errors and cleaner cuts. However, there are a few downsides to consider. If you're planning on tackling heavy-duty projects, you might want to consider other options. I found it struggled a bit with thicker hardwoods. Additionally, it's not the quietest tool around, so wearing ER protection is advisable. On the positive side, the quick clamp system for changing blades is a real time saver. You can swap blades in seconds without needing any tools, which is incredibly convenient when you're in the middle of a project. The adjustable shoe is another useful feature, adding stability to your cuts. For its price, this BLACK+DECKER Jig Saw offers good value, especially if your focus is on home projects and DIY work. It handles most basic tasks well, from straight cuts to beveled edges. If you're interested in checking the current price and more details, you'll find the link right below in the description.